Time to replace my CBX1000 tank. The carbon tank was causing problems. So we built a one-off aluminium tank. And test fitted to the bike. Endless sanding, followed by a first paint layer. Welcome to ABCD videos. My fabulous Moto Martin CBX1000. My tank is causing concerns from day one. It is disintegrating due to modern fuels. And causing the carburetors to clog. Here a link to my previous tank repairs. Time to invest in an aluminium tank. Jerriot build me a one-off aluminium tank. Starting with the central section. Before making the side walls. And TIG welding them in place. The rear sections are next. The tank is taking shape now. And the tags are welded shut. And removed with an angle grinder. Time to install the fuel tap and cap. And weld in the bottom. Find more CBX1000 videos on my channel. Now to fit the tap and cap. The base shape is now done, but needs a lot of smoothing out. Luckily it fits perfect to the frame. Now it is time to prep it for painting. Step 1 is cleaning the surface. Step 2 is mixing the filler. Step 3 is adding the hardener. And after mixing, it is evenly applied. Now hours of sanding lay ahead. Please subscribe if you like my video. Some uneven surface require more work. And a touch-up with filler is needed. More tedious sanding. Finally it reaches the required smoothness. Now it is time to degrease the surface. And build my makeshift spray booth. Heated, dust-free and with good lighting. Time to apply the base coat, filler. Black base coats highlight every concern. Fine grit and wet sanding is next. Next time the color scheme will be revealed. Thanks for watching.